Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find 630 hybrid bicycles, every journeyman's hybrid cruiser bicycle, 1/3/7/21 speed bicycles, 26 inches wheels, multiple colors. Technical details, item package dimensions 55.1 by 32 by 7.75 inches. Package weight 20.87 kilograms. Item dimensions LXWXH 72 by 28 by 17.5 inches. Item weight 36 pounds. Brand name 630. Model name every journeyman's hybrid cruiser. Bicycle 1/3/7/21 speed bicycles, 26 inches wheels, multiple colors. Color matte black with brown seat grips. Material aluminium. Suggested users men's. Number of items 1. Manufacturer 630 Enterprises, LLC, part number 630171. Style every journeyman's. Included components: bicycle frame with fender front and rear wheel, rear rack, hardware box, pedals and reflectors, box with saddle, instruction manual. Size 26, 7 speeds.